today could literally be the worst video of all. It's 5:10 and I've done nothing yet for today's pick, but I did capture a little bit of footage while I was out at the marina, because I pretty much bought my boat today. I just paid a deposit, so stay tuned for that. But this video, what I'm going to do, I'm literally going to run a little bit of boat footage. It's not even boat, it's terrible, really. And then I think there's a portrait in there. But please forgive me, I promise tomorrow's is going to be awesome. It'll be awesome. And if you like this video, then, and you subscribe to my channel, then literally I'm going to feel so guilty because of how piss poor this one is, that I'm going to have to pull out all the stops tomorrow. Jesus, I look terrible. But yes, there's a little bit of footage of the marina, and I think there's a portrait I got of a couple. I'm gonna go now because I'm ashamed. See you tomorrow. Here lies the body of Mary Lee, who died at the age of 103. This is Philip. For 15 years she kept her virginity. It's not a bad record for this vicinity. I don't know what accent that was there. I'm going.